Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share something incredibly powerful with you. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn just $100 into $10,000. Yes, you heard that right. From $100 to $10,000 using proven strategies that anyone can follow. Now, before you think this is some get-rich-quick scheme, let me be clear. This is not about gambling, lottery tickets, or any risky investments that could lose your money overnight. What I'm going to share with you today are real, practical methods that successful entrepreneurs and investors have used for decades. I know many of you watching this video might be students, young professionals, or people who don't have thousands of dollars to start with. Maybe you're working a regular job and you have saved up just $100 and you're wondering how you can grow this money into something much bigger. This video is exactly for you. The beautiful thing about what I'm going to teach you today is that it doesn't require any special skills, expensive equipment, or years of experience. All you need is that $100, some dedication, and the willingness to learn and take action. And most importantly, you need patience, because this is not going to happen overnight. Let me tell you why this works. The principle we're going to use is called compound growth. This means that not only does your original money grow, but the money you earn from your original money also starts growing. It's like planting a seed that grows into a tree, and then that tree produces more seeds, which grow into more trees. Think about it this way. If you can double your money just 7 times, you will turn $100 into over $6,000. And if you can do it just one more time, you'll have over $12,000. So our goal is very achievable if we follow the right steps. I've personally used these methods to grow small amounts of money into much larger sums, and I've seen countless others do the same thing. The key is to start small, be consistent, and gradually increase your investments as you learn and grow your confidence. Today, I'm going to break this down into a complete step-by-step plan. I'll show you multiple different paths you can take, so you can choose the one that fits your personality, your available time, and your comfort level. Some of these methods are faster, but require more active work, while others are slower, but more passive. By the end of this video series, you'll have a complete roadmap that you can start implementing immediately. You'll know exactly what to do with your first $100, how to minimize your risks, and how to scale up your efforts as your money grows. So make sure you watch all 3 parts of this series, because each part builds on the previous one. And if you find value in what I'm sharing, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I share money-making strategies like this every week. Are you ready to transform your financial future? Let's dive in. Now let's talk about the first method, which is digital product flipping. This is one of my favorite ways to start because it's fast, it's profitable, and you can see results quickly, which will motivate you to continue. Here's how digital product flipping works. You take $100 and you buy digital products that are already selling well, then you resell them for a profit. The best platforms to do this are places like Flippa, Empire Flippers for websites, or even simple things like buying and selling domain names. Let me give you a practical example. You can buy a simple website that's already making maybe $20 to $30 per month for around your $100 budget. These are usually basic affiliate marketing sites or content sites with some traffic. Once you buy it, you improve it slightly. Maybe you add more content, fix some technical issues, or improve the design just a little bit. After you've improved it and waited for maybe 2 to 3 months to show consistent earnings, you can sell that same website for 3 to 5 times its monthly earnings. So if it's making $30 per month, you can sell it for around $150 to $300. That's already doubling or tripling your money. But here's the key. You don't stop there. You take that $300 and you buy a bigger website that makes maybe $60 to $70 per month. You improve that one and sell it for $600 to $900. You keep repeating this process, always buying bigger and better assets. Another variation of this is buying social media accounts that have followers but are not monetized well. You can find Instagram accounts, YouTube channels, or TikTok accounts that have good follower counts, but the owners don't know how to make money from them. You buy these accounts, monetize them properly with affiliate marketing or sponsored content, then sell them for much more than you paid. The beauty of digital product flipping is that everything is online. You don't need to handle physical products, and the profit margins can be very high. Plus, you learn valuable skills like website improvement, social media marketing, and online business evaluation. The second method is retail arbitrage and product flipping. This is perfect for people who like to be more hands-on and don't mind doing some physical work. Retail arbitrage means buying products from one place at a low price and selling them at another place for a higher price. The most popular way to do this is buying products from retail stores that are on clearance or discount, then selling them on Amazon, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Here's how you start with your $100. You go to stores like Walmart, Target, or any local discount stores and look for products that are heavily discounted. You want to focus on products that you can verify are selling for much higher prices on Amazon or eBay. For example, you might find a toy that's marked down to $15 at a local store, but the same toy is selling for $40 on Amazon. You buy as many as your budget allows, then list them online for $35, making a $20 profit on each one. The key to success with retail arbitrage is research. You need to use apps like Amazon's Seller app or eBay's app to scan barcodes and check prices quickly while you're in the store. This way, you can instantly know if a product is profitable before you buy it. Start small with your $100. Maybe buy 5 to 10 products that you're confident about. Once you sell those and make profit, reinvest all the money plus the profit into buying more products. As you get better at finding profitable products, you'll be able to spot deals faster and make bigger purchases. Some people make thousands of dollars per month just doing retail arbitrage part-time. The best part is that you're dealing with physical products that people need and want, so there's always demand. You can also look into buying products in bulk from liquidation websites or wholesale marketplaces, then selling them individually for profit. As your budget grows from hundreds to thousands, you'll have access to even better deals and higher profit margins. The third method is starting a skill-based service business, and this is probably the most scalable method I'm going to share with you today. The beautiful thing about this approach is that you're not just flipping products. You're actually building a real business that can eventually run without you. Here's how this works. You use your $100 to learn a valuable skill that businesses need, then you sell that skill as a service. The most profitable skills right now are things like social media management, content writing, basic graphic design, video editing, or online advertising management. Let me give you a specific example. Let's say you decide to learn social media management. You spend $50 of your budget on a high-quality online course that teaches you everything about managing social media for businesses. You spend the other $50 on basic tools like scheduling software and maybe some stock photo subscriptions. Now you start reaching out to local businesses, restaurants, gyms, or online coaches who need help with their social media. You offer to manage their Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn for maybe $200 to $500 per month, depending on what services you provide. Here's the math. If you get just one client paying you $300 per month, you've already made back your investment in the first month. But you don't stop at one client. You aim to get 5 to 10 clients, which means you're making $1,500 to $3,000 per month. The key is to start with lower prices to get your first few clients and build testimonials. Once you have proof that you can get results, you can charge higher prices and be more selective about the clients you work with. As your business grows, you can hire other people to help you deliver the services while you focus on getting more clients. This is how you scale from doing everything yourself to running a real business that makes money even when you're not working. The fourth method is investing in the stock market, but not in the way most people think about investing. We're going to use a strategy called momentum investing combined with systematic reinvestment. Now, I want to be very clear about something. Investing in individual stocks can be risky, especially when you're starting with just $100. So instead of trying to pick individual stocks, we're going to focus on exchange-traded funds or ETFs that track the overall market or specific sectors. Here's the strategy. You take your $100 and you invest it in low-cost index ETFs that track the S&P 500 or total stock market. Companies like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab offer these with very low fees. The historical average return of the stock market is about 10% per year. But here's where we make it more aggressive to reach our goal faster. Instead of just investing once, you're going to add money every month from the profits you make using the other methods I mentioned. Let's say you make $300 per month from your service business or product flipping. You live on $200 and invest the extra $100 every month. With this approach, if you invest $100 initially and then $100 every month while earning 10% annually, you'll have over $10,000 in about 6 years. But if you can earn 15% annually by choosing slightly more aggressive ETFs, you can reach $10,000 in less than 5 years. The key is consistency and patience. You keep investing every month no matter what the market is doing. When the market goes down, your money buys more shares. When it goes up, your existing shares become worth more. So here's your complete step-by-step action plan to turn $100 into $10,000. Step 1. Choose the method that matches your personality and available time. If you like technology and online work, start with digital product flipping. If you prefer physical products, try retail arbitrage. If you want to build a real business, start the service business approach. Step 2. Take action immediately. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you know everything. Start with your $100 this week. Step 3. Track everything. Keep detailed records of what you buy, what you sell, and how much profit you make. This will help you see what's working and what's not. Step 4. Reinvest all profits. This is crucial. Every dollar you make should go back into growing your money, not into your personal spending. Step 5. Once you reach $1,000, diversify. Don't put all your money into just one method. Maybe do 50% product flipping, 30% service business, and 20% stock market investing. Step 6. Stay educated. Keep learning about money, investing, and business. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Remember, turning $100 into $10,000 is absolutely possible, but it requires patience, consistency, and smart decision-making. Some of you might do it in 2 years, others might take 5 years. The important thing is that you start today and stay committed to the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I share practical money-making strategies like this every week. And let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. I read every comment and I love hearing about your success stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into advanced wealth-building strategies